Good morning, students. I am Dr. Akriti Jain, and today's video lecture, I will discuss the types of set. In this video lecture, I will discuss the subset, proper subset, and power subset. First, I would like to discuss subset. What is subset? Suppose let X and Y be two sets. If every element of X is also an element of Y, then X is called the subset of Y. It is denoted by the symbol X. This symbol represents the X is the subset of Y. For example, in property form, we will write the X is the subset of Y implies that X belongs to the set A implies that X also belongs to the set B. For example, suppose set A contains the elements 2, 4, 6 and set B contains the element 2, 4, 6, 8. In this example, A is the subset of B because all the elements of A also belongs to the set B. But B is not a subset of A because all elements of B does not belongs to the set A. One more example, suppose let X is equal to 1, 2, the elements of X and set Y is equal to 1, 2, also the element of Y. Here set X is the subset of Y and Y is also the subset of X because these two sets are equal set, but they are not the proper subset. Here X is the subset of Y and Y is also the subset of X, but they are not the proper subset. So what is the proper subset? So now I will discuss the proper subset. Suppose let A and B be any two sets, then A is called the proper subset of B. If condition 1, A is the subset of B, that is A is the subset of B. Condition 2, there exists at least one element in B which does not belongs to set A. For example, the proper subset is denoted by in this symbol. A is the proper subset of B. So all proper subset is also the subset of that particular set. But all the subsets are not compulsory it is the proper subset. For example, A is the proper subset of B, then B is called the superset of A. Suppose let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and B is equal to 1, 2. These are the elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the elements of set A and 1, 2 are the elements of set B. Here B is the subset of A since all the elements in B are contained in A2 and A has at least one element is more than set B. So A is the subset of B. So B is the subset of A and B is also the proper subset of A. Here A is not the proper subset of B because all the elements of A does not contain in the set B. Now I will discuss the power subset. What is the power subset? Suppose A be a set. The set of all subset of A is called the power set of A and it is denoted by the symbol power of A. For example, power set of A is equal to set of all subsets of A. When we find out the power set of any set, we will discuss one thing. Null set is the subset of all the set. So first element of the power set is null. So for example, if A is equal to ABC, then find out the power set of A. So power set, the first element is null because null is the subset of all the subset. Second element is the set A. A is the subset, B subset, C subset, combination of AB subset, BC subset, AC subset, then ABC. Here we rewind one thing. the AB and BA both are the same. So all the elements of sets are unique and distinct. तो we will remember this thing. यहाँ पर मतलब कहने का ये है कि जब सेट के आप एलिमेंट्स लिख रहे हो तो आपने एक बार ए बी लिखा तो अब आप बी ए नहीं लिख सकते हो क्योंकि उसकी मीनिंग हमारे लिए सेम होगी। तो जितने भी एलिमेंट्स आप पावर सेट के अंदर लिख रहे हो वो सारे एलिमेंट्स आपके कैसे होने चाहिए, यूनिक होना चाहिए। और कितने एलिमेंट्स पावर सेट के अंदर होंगे ये हम कैसे पता करेंगे, व्हाट इज द कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ पावर सेट इज, सो द कार्डिनलिटी ऑफ पावर सेट इज 2 to the power n, where n is the total number of elements in a set. तो हियर कितने एलिमेंट्स है आपके सेट ए में, 3 एलिमेंट्स है। सो द पावर सेट के अंदर कितने एलिमेंट्स आए, 2 to power 3, that is 8 elements belongs to the this power set. One more example, suppose A is equal to 1 2 3 4. Here the total number of elements in set A is 4. So cardinality of power set A is 2 to the power 4, that is 16. First element is null, then 1 2 3, set 1, set 2, set 3, set 4. These are called the subsets of these particular set. 1 2 2 3 3 4 1 3 1 4 2 4 1 2 3 2 3 4 1 3 4 1 2 4 and 1 2 3 4. I will take one more important example. ये RGPP एग्जाम में काफी पूछा जाता है। सपोज X एक सेट है जिसके एलिमेंट्स है null 1 और and also set B. So what is the power set of this set? So first element is null, set of null 1, set of B null and 1, null set of B 1, set of B null 1 and set of B. So we can find out the power set, that is the subset of that particular set. I hope आप लोगों को अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर में हम कुछ और इंपॉर्टेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सेट डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।